They serve this at Aquaman's after party. Mocha Latte, Pate, Craze-A-Palooza cake. Hey, Marina. How was the concert? Oh, Big Val. It was so splash-tacular. The stage was a giant seashell. The lights looked like jellyfish, and Aquaman dove out of a giant clamshell while singing solo. Nearly lost my voice cheering. Got this new tiara there too. Hey, I love your new hair colors. Kinda looks like a mermaid. Why, thank you. Living my best life. First, mix all your dry ingredients together. And take it away. 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon-ella. 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. This is called the creaming method, by the way. It's where you sift all your dry ingredients together and alternate them in with the wet ingredients. At least there, the weirdos tip better. Oh, for the love of lamp oil! Flo's map is scrambled. It looks like a toddler doodled with starlight crayons. Sugar, I don't read gibberish before brunch. Your butter should be at room temperature. Pack that brown sugar in there and beat this for 5 minutes. Scrape the bowl in between too. If you warm up your molasses, it pours out a lot easier. And scrape the bowl and add in your beaten eggs. Give me that map. I'll figure it out faster than you two can say abracadabra. Hoppy, don't strain yourself. It's obviously a cipher. I just don't know what a cipher is. Swami. Alternate in your dry with super strong coffee. We use 2 tablespoons of instant coffee in there. The first third of the dry coats the butter mixture, which helps make the crumb tender. And as you mix in the rest of the thirds, don't walk away from the mixer or your flour could form gluten. That makes for a chewy cupcake like tough seaweed. Aha! At last, a true intellectual challenge worthy of my prodigious brain power. And mine. Don't forget mine. I've got the logarithms and the Looneyisms all ready. Observe, the glowing symbols are not nonsense. They're pancake fractals aligned with serried constellations. Baking spray with flour and parchment paper. We have links for everything in the description below. Those purple strips are cake strips. You soak them in cold water and they change the baking process, so you get flat tops every time. No domes or messing with oven temperatures, not even algebra. And bake for 30 minutes. Exactly. Each swirl corresponds to a planetary orbit, or possibly a spaghetti noodle. Both are mathematically valid. If you rotate the symbols 90 degrees counterclockwise and multiply by the fluff factor of 3. The chocolate coffee buttercream is super easy and not super sweet. Whisk your unsalted butter together. Don't do that. In 5 minutes, it turns light and fluffy. See the difference? This stick is fresh out of the refrigerator. Add in sweetened condensed milk and watch the magic happen. It whips right into frosting. And now we flavor it. Mocha Latte, Pate, Craze-A-Palooza. see, you two are either brilliant or completely bananas. Kids these days think they're Einstein with eyeliner. Just don't spill coffee on my floor while you go save the galaxy. The cake goes together real simple too. Look at Big Val there, making sure it's level on each layer. You don't want to get to the top and frost it, only to find that you've got the Leaning Tower of Pisa. And we use mini chocolate chips to make a decorative skirt. Kind of finishes it off, and it's really easy.